Okay. What is the formula for basic formula for sine theta? Tell me. Imagine if this is a right angle triangle. If I write this as ABC, sine theta can be written as opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta can be written as adjacent by hypotenuse. Next, tan theta can be written as opposite by adjacent. Cot theta can be written as adjacent by opposite. Secant theta can be written as hypotenuse by adjacent. Cosecant theta can be written as hypotenuse by opposite. This we know it, right? Already we have done in 10th standard. Next, after this we have this formula. Write down the formula of tan theta in terms of sine and cos. The answer will be sine theta by cos theta. Cot theta in terms of sine and cos, this becomes cos theta by sin theta. Yes or no? Next, secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Next, cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So these are all in terms of sin and cos. Okay. Next, after this we have this important formula, sine of A plus B, that is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Keep repeating the formulas as loud as you can. That will go in your mind, in your brain, and when you sleep at night, okay, you may utter these formulas in your sleep, but that will lead to success in your examinations. Sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, right? Basic formulas. Next, very important, cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B, sorry, this is minus sin A sin B, minus sin A sin B. Next you have cos of A minus B, that is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, correct? Okay, so next we have tan of A plus B. What is the formula for tan of A plus B? Yes, tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. This is the formula for tan of A plus B. Now this formula in 12th standard inverse trigonometry you should remember. Okay, those who are studying inverse trigonometry, you will apply the same formulas. Okay, next you have tan of A minus B. What is the formula? Tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, next we have studied the table 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Correct? Now here I will write sine, cos, tan, cot, then we have secant and cosecant. Okay, so now here it is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and then 1. Okay, so if you know sine, you can do cos. If you know this too, you can do tan, cot, secant and cosecant. This is all done in your 10th standard, right? Okay, now we will do little higher level question, that is in your 11th. There are some trigonometrical formulas. Take it down. The first formula here, transformation formula. Write down quickly. Transformation formulae. The first formula here, 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B is equal to sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Next, 2 cos A sin B is equal to sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. Next, 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Next, 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B, minus cos of A plus B. Completed? Okay. Start by adding these formulas quickly. Then we'll go on with the questions. अनिरुद्ध लिख रहा है? Okay. What is the formula for 2 sin A cos B? Plus sin of? Okay. 2 cos A sin B. Loudly. 2 cos A cos B. 2 sin A sin B. First question, take down. 2 sin phi theta into cos theta. 2 sin phi theta into cos theta. Question दे दिया. So which formula will you use here? It looks in the form of 2 sin A into cos B. So what are you going to do? Sin of A plus B plus sin of? Yes. So what happens? Here sin of A plus B, phi theta plus theta plus sin of phi theta minus theta. What is the final answer? Yes, Kamalika, how much you got? Okay, did everyone got this? Sin 6 theta plus sin 4 theta. Did everyone got this? Yes. Second question. Take it down. 2 cos 4 theta into cos theta. Cos 3 theta into cos 3 theta. Write down the formula. Do step by step. Cos. Huh. So what formula are you going to use here? Cos of A plus B, that is 4 theta plus 3 theta plus cos of 4 theta minus 3 theta. So the final answer should be cos of 7 theta plus cos of theta. Did everyone get this answer? Okay, if you are getting these small question answers, then when I solve the bigger question, it will be easy for you. So try to take this question seriously. Next question, take it down. 2 sine 3 theta into sine theta. Next question. Sine 75 into sine 15. Sine 75 into sine 15. तुषार और स्नेहा आ गया हो, ये चेयर में बैठो दोनों, इधर आ गया हो. बैठो इधर जल्दी. Sit on the 2 chairs, don't lift it up. Vivek, how much you got? Yes, Anirudh को कितना मिला? So the first answer is cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta. Is it right? Yes. सेकंड का क्या करेंगे? यस विश्रुत बताओ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का क्या करेंगे? हम्म. क्या? ओके. मिला क्या? आंसर मिला क्या आपको? अर्थ को कितना मिला? cos 60. कौन सा वाला? ये वाला. नोटबुक लेके आओ इधर. अनिरुद्ध क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया? ओके. मैंने क्या दिया इधर? साइन दिया ना इधर. ओके. साइन है तो ठीक है. एक मिनट. ओके. टेक लाइक दिस. Sin 75 into cos 15. Now do it into cos 15. Sin 75 into cos 15. Tell me final answer. One by two into. Why you got sin one? Sin 90 is one. No. Then you are, why you are writing sin one? Huh. Okay. ठीक है. पहले बताओ which formula I'm going to use here. 2 sin a cos b. What is the formula? 2 sin a cos b का formula क्या? RHS a plus b a minus b. This is the formula. Correct. But now here there is a problem. What is missing here? 2 is missing in the question. Correct. 2 is missing in the question. So what I am going to do, multiply and divide by 2. If you don't do this, your answer is wrong. So what I am going to do, multiply and divide by 2 matlab 2 divided by 2, and here I will write sin 75 into cos 15. Do you understand? Now 1 by 2 I will take it outside. This is 1 by 2. Bracket में क्या हो जाएगा? 2 sin 75 into cos 15. That means this. Okay. I am going to apply the RHS. Sin of a plus b. So what happens here? 1 by 2. This is sin 90 plus sin of a minus b. तो कितना हो गया? Sin 60. What is the value of sin 90? 1. Okay, so here I will write 1 by 2. This is 1 plus, what is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Okay, now can I simplify this? This becomes 1 by 2. 2 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, so answer is 2 plus root 3 by 4. Do you understand? Okay, so like this you have to do it. In the previous question also you have to multiply and divide by 2. Next question. Okay, take it down. Cos 75 into cos 15. cos 75 into cos 15. What is missing? इधर इधर ऐसे घूमो, इधर थोड़ा एंगल को इधर घुमाओ. हाँ, अब लिखो. हाँ, फाइनल आंसर. इज इट राइट? cos 90 आपका 0 है और cos 60 1/2 है. यस मोहम्मद. अविरल क्या हुआ? क्वेश्चन को देख के पानी पीने लगा है. Yeah, you're thirsty after looking at the question. So first you are going to multiply and divide by what? 2. 1/2 common outside. Then you use the formula, you get 1/4. Everyone got 1/4? Vivek, did you get it? Yeah? Check Panna Hari. He got or not? Then झूठ बोलने से काम नहीं चलेगा. Till 10th standard that is fine, but now it doesn't work here. देखो, if the students have got the first 5 questions, okay, if you have got the answer of the first 5 question, look here, don't talk. क्या हो गया? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? हाँ, तो cos 90 प्लस cos 60 आएगा ना. करेक्ट. हाँ, ठीक है, फाइन. इधर देखो, अभी पहले 5 क्वेश्चन, द फर्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चन, दोज हु गॉट, they will understand the next 5 questions. Okay, so try to understand here. Take down this question here. Cos 20 into cos 40 into cos 60 into cos 80. This you have to prove it. This is equal to 1/16. लिखना है, क्वेश्चन लिखना पड़ता है. It will not walk from the board and come in your notebook. Write down. Have you written down the question? Okay, pens down now. Fan slow karo. The voice goes and come back to me. Yeah. 2 में रखो, 2 में रखो. Okay, so here this is all multiplication. Cos 20 into cos 40 into cos 60 into cos 80. So I'll be solving it, but at the same time you're going to assist me in solving it. Okay, so tell me cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80. Cos कॉमन नहीं ले सकते, ये एंगल है. ओके, अब मुझे ये बताओ, ये चारों में से इन दिस 4 which value I already know? Which value I already know? Cos 60 value I already know. What is that? 1/2. Tirupati, this is 1/2. Now you write down. What is the next question here? Cos 20 into cos 40 into cos 80. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, first I will select only these two. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will write like this: 1/2 into cos 40 into cos 20 into cos 80. Just I'm shifting it. Cos 40 को इधर लिया, cos 20 को इधर लिया. Now it looks like which formula? Cos A cos B. But what is missing? What is missing? 2 is missing. So what should I do? Multiply and divide by 2. See, in your board examinations you have to write this statement: multiply and divide by 2. Okay, if you write like this, then you get marks. What happens, students, they go to IIT, JEE coaching, NEET coaching, NDA coaching, and when they come to board exam, they feel all the questions are easy. They look at the question, they write the answer. So what the teacher will do, they will also take shortcut and give less marks. Okay, okay, so 100 में okay, तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए, remember that. So what I am going to do, 1/2, 2/2, this is cos 40 into cos 20, this is into cos 80. इसको ब्रैकेट में डालेंगे हम, समझ में आया? अभी 2 into 2 कितना हुआ? Tell me. 1/4. So now this becomes 1/4. Okay, now tell me, do cos 40 into cos 20. Tell me what happens. Cos A cos B, right? हाँ, cos 60, no, plus no, plus cos 20. When I solve this bracket with the formula of 2 cos A cos B, okay, you know the formula. I am applying this formula. What do I get here? Cos 60 plus cos 20. What about this guy? cos 80 I will write. ठीक है? Shreya, look here. Now in this 3, which value I know? What is that value? 1 by 2. So write down. This is 1 by 4 bracket 1 by 2 plus cos 20 into cos 80. Do you understand? Now can I multiply this cos 80 outside here? Matlab, can I expand this bracket? Okay, so what happens? 1 by 4. Okay, now this is 1 by 2 into cos 80 plus cos 80 into cos 20. Can I write it like this? Right? Okay. So now what happens? I can multiply this 1 by 4. Okay, this 1 by 4 like this. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 kitna ho gaya? 1 by 8 into cos 80 plus 1 by 4 into cos 80 into cos 20. Okay, so now this is the complete thing. Now tell me what is missing here. Okay, here this looks like what? Cos A, cos B. But what is missing here? 2. So multiply and divide by 2. What do you get? What do you get here? This is 1 by 8 into cos 80 plus, if I multiply 2 here, I get 2, and down कितना मिलेगा? 8 मिलेगा. Do you understand? और ऊपर क्या है ये? Cos 80 into cos 20. Did you all understand? Now here and here, what is common? 1 by 8 is common, not 8. What is common? 1 by 8. So what I take here? 1 by 8 common. Cos 80 as it is. Now if you solve this, cos 80 plus cos 20, what you get? Cos 100 plus cos 60. Yes or no? Okay, cos 100 plus cos 60. Now if you go to the basic trigonometry ASTC rule, in the first quadrant all angles are positive, in the second quadrant sign is negative. What angle I am getting here? 100. So cos will be positive or negative? In the second quadrant cos will be positive or negative? Negative. So can I write this 100 as 180 minus 80? Can I write it like this? Okay, so what I do here, this is 180, this is cos 80, and this can be written as cos of 180 minus 80 plus cos 60. Did you all understand? This step, did you all understand? Okay, now in the second quadrant what is happening? Cos is positive or negative? Negative. Cos is negative. So here what happens? 1 by 8, this is cos 80 minus cos 80 plus cos 60. Now what will get cancelled? Plus cos 80 minus cos 80 will get cancelled. What is remaining outside? 1 by 8. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. Now 1 by 8 into 1 by 2 is how much? 1 by 16. So did you get the right hand side? 1 by 16. Chalo, start doing it. Those are not getting, you can look here. Okay, next question, take it down. 4 cos 12 into cos 48 into cos 72 is equal to cos 36. You have to prove the right hand side is equal to cos 36. Completed? Question लिख के हो गया? Okay, look here. You just try to assist me with the formulas और आपको भी easy हो जाएगा solve करने में, ठीक है? So this 4 can be written as what? 2 into 2, and then the rest of the question, so this can be written as cos 12 into cos 48 into cos 72. Let me take this first. So this looks like what? 2 cos A cos B. So 48 plus 12 and then 48 minus 12. So what happens? Take this 2 as it is. So what happens here? What you get? 48 plus 12 cos 60 plus cos 36. This you get like this. Okay, and this is cos 72. Okay, now you multiply this 2 here inside. This is 2 cos 60 plus 2 cos 36 bracket, and what is in here? Cos 72. Now can I multiply cos 72 here? Right, now what happens? 2 cos 72 into cos 60 plus 2 cos 72 into cos 36. Did you understand this step? Right, okay. Now what is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2. So here what I do, 2 cos 72 into 1 by 2 plus, so here which formula I am going to use? 2 cos A cos B. So 72 plus 36, how much you get? 108. And 72 minus 36, how much you get? Plus cos 36. Yes or no? Now here what happens? 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what is left now? Cos 72 plus cos 108 plus cos 36. We are closer. One cos 36 तक आ गया. The only problem is this guy cos 108. Now this 108 can be written as 108 minus 72. So 108 lies in the second quadrant. Do you understand? So cos turns into negative. So this I can write it as cos 72. This is cos 108 minus 72 plus plus cos 36. Okay. Now here 36, no? Sorry. ये 180 minus 72 आना चाहिए. नहीं, सही आ रहा है? हाँ, 180 minus 72 will give you 108. Sorry. Okay, this is 180. Okay, अभी इधर क्या होगा? Minus 72. So what happens? Cos 72 minus cos 72 plus cos 36. What will get cancelled? Plus cos and minus cos 72 get cancelled. So what is the right hand side? You got the RHS? Start doing it. Those who are not getting can once again review this. Oh, it got last question में चला गया क्या? नहीं. Yes, completed everyone. Shall we move for the next question? Ready है? या टाइम चाहिए लिखने के लिए? अनिरुद्ध, take down next question. Sin 10 into sin 30 into sin 50 into sin 70 is equal to 1 by 16. Start doing it. मिल रहा है? Are you getting it? So first, which formula will you use? 2 sin A, 2 sin A sin B. So उसका क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Very good. Keep doing it. Give me that book 1 minute. Did you all get the answer? Mitesh? Okay, shall we do it together? Hmm. कितना मिला? Somehow you got 1 by 16, or you brought it कुछ तो करके एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन. हाँ, ओके चलो इधर देखो सब लोग. सो पहले साइन 30 का वैल्यू कितना है? 1/2. ओके, सो आई विल राइट 1/2, देन दिस साइन 10 into sin 50 into sin 70. So first I will take this 2. What is missing here? 2. Multiply and divide by 2. So this is 2 by 2, and this becomes sin 50 into sin 10 into sin 70. Now those who are getting confused, sir इधर sin 10 है, यहाँ पे sin 50 है, आपने इधर उल्टा लिखा. Why you are taking like this? Will anything happen? Nothing will happen, because it is what? Multiplication sign. ठीक है? So now look at this. 1/2 into 1/2, this becomes 1/4. Bracket sin 60, then no, sorry, not sin, cos आएगा, cos आएगा. Yeah, cos 60, cos 60 minus of cos, पहले minus फिर plus, right? Minus cos 60 into sin 70. Now you have to multiply here. So what happens? 1/4 into sin 70 into cos 40 minus 1/2 into sin 70. Yes or no? Correct? Okay. Now what is missing here? Okay, इधर देखो. You can do like this. This is divided by 1. So you take 2 common. This becomes 1/4. 2 into sin 70 cos 40 minus sin 70. Okay, whole divided by 2. Taking 2 LCM. Correct? So you take 2 outside. It becomes what? 1/8. Now into 2 sin 70 into cos 40 minus sin 70. Okay. Now which formula will you use here? 2 sin A cos B. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So what happens here? Sin of A plus B मतलब कितना हो गया? 110. 110 sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. This becomes sin 30. Sin 30 minus sin 70. Okay. Now this angle 110 can be written as sine of 180 minus 70. Sine of 180 minus 70. Now ASTC rule. In second quadrant, sine is positive. So what happens here? This I can write it as sine of. I am writing for you. No, तुम्हारे लिए मैं लिख रहा हूँ, but in exam avoid this step. Don't waste time. This I can write it as 180 minus 70 plus sine 30 minus sine 70. Okay, so what happens here? This becomes sine 70 plus 1 by 2. Why 1 by 2? Because sine 30 is 1 by 2. This is minus of sine 70. What will get cancelled? Plus sine 70 minus sine 70 get cancelled. So 1 by 8 into 1 by 2. How much you get? 1 by 16. Easy? Yes. Chalo, next question. Shall we do it now? Take down next question. Tan 20, tan 40, next tan 80. This is equal to tan 60. What happened? I can hear many pages flipping here. Tan can be converted into. I will give you the clue, then you can solve. Tan can be converted into sine and cos. So sine 20 divided by cos 20. Okay. Now here what happens? Sine 40 into cos 40. Here what happens? Sine 80 into cos 80. Now for numerator you have to do the previous question method, and for denominator you have to do previous question method. Start doing it. Question is big, right? So the first step, what you are going to do? Multiply and divide by 2. Shall we do it together? Yeah. Kamalika, what happened? Look here now. Pens down. First step, what you are going to do? Mitesh, multiply and divide by 2. So this is 2 sine 20 into sine 40 into sine 80. And नीचे भी क्या हो जाएगा? 2 cos 20 into cos 40 into cos 80. Okay, so this step everyone has done it. Okay. Now first I will take this 2. Okay, sin A, sin B. What is the formula? Cos of A minus B. मतलब cos 20 minus of cos 60. This is into sin 80. Correct? And niche, if I take this 2. Okay, cos 40 and cos 20. What will happen? Cos 60 plus cos 20, and here it is cos 80. Correct? Now do you know the value of cos 60? Right? You can take it outside. So what happens? This becomes 2 cos 20 minus 1. This is sin 80. This is whole divided by 2. And here this is 1 plus 2 cos 20 whole divided by 2 into cos 80. Correct? Okay, now we can easily cancel this 2 and this 2. Correct? Numerator, denominator. So now this becomes 2 cos 20 into sin 80 minus sin 80. Correct? Numerator becomes like this. Next, denominator, cos 80 plus 2 into cos 80 into cos 20. Yes or no? Fine. Now again, now tell me, this can be written as sin A cos B. That means sin of A plus B into, so sin of A plus B, it becomes sin 100 plus sin 60 minus sin 80 whole divided by cos 80, you keep it as it is. Okay, next, this is cos A cos B. It becomes what? Cos of A plus B. So cos 100 then minus cos, no, 60 minus cos 60 plus, नहीं plus आएगा ना इधर. Yeah, here plus will come. ठीक है. What is the formula for 2 cos A cos B? Check the formula list and tell me. Cos A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay, now look at this. This 100, this angle 100 is in the second quadrant. Okay, idhar dekho, this is in the second quadrant. So what can I do? I can write it as 180 minus 80 plus sin 60 minus sin 80. Okay, whole divided by, now this is cos 80 plus cos 180 minus 80 plus cos 60. In the second quadrant, sign is positive. Yes or no? So what happens here? This becomes sin 80 plus sin 60 minus sin 80. Okay, whole divided by, abhi niche cos 80. Now in the second quadrant, cos is negative. So this becomes, actually this is negative. This is cos 80 plus cos 60. What will get cancelled? What will get cancelled? Sin 80 minus sin 80, cos 80 minus cos 80. What is remaining? Sin 60 by cos 60. So can I say that this is nothing but tan 60? You got the answer. That's it. இங்க இது எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னு கேக்குறீங்களா? Because ASTC rule. Okay, இது 90, இது 180. 100 வந்து இங்க தானே வரும், angle 100. இந்த quadrantல வந்து sin மட்டும்தான் பாசிட்டிவ், மீதி எல்லாமே நெகட்டிவ் ஆயிரும். ஸோ காஸ் இங்கே வரும்போது காஸ் என்ன ஆகும், நெகட்டிவ் ஆயிரும், அதனால காஸ் 80. Do you understand? हो गया सभी का? Okay. So take down next question. Sine 20 into sine 40 into sine 60 into sine 80 is equal to 3 by 16. This is your homework. Do it in the same method and write down the next heading, sum and product method. Have you taken down this question? Sum or difference into product method. Sum or difference into product method. Now write down the important formulas. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Next, sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 sin C minus D by 2, and it is cos C plus D by 2. Next, cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Next, cos D minus cos C is equal to 2 sin cos D minus cos C is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Next, cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. And the same formula can be written in other way. Cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. D minus C by 2. Completed? All these formulas have written. Still you are here. Be fast. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. See, in mathematics, especially for NDA, JE or whatever it is, you have to be very fast. ठीक है? जल्दी लिखो ये formulas. बाकी लोग learn करो. Start learning it. अविरल लिख रहा है formulas. Completed? No, minus signs are changing. This cos C minus cos D can be written in two form. Here once it is minus and here this thing will change. ठीक है? Ready? First question, take it down everyone. Sine 4 theta plus sine 2 theta. Yeah. So which formula are you going to use? Sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So final answer is 2 sine 3 theta into cos theta. Did you all get it? Yes, Kamalika? Okay, see, now you have realized the last time, the last type of question I gave you easy question. First 5 questions were easy. After that I gave you little bigger question. Same thing I'm going to do here now. If you get the first 5 questions, you will get the rest 5 questions. Okay, it is easy. Only thing is you have to cope up. Ready? Next question. Sine 60, sorry, sine 6 theta minus sine 2 theta. Write down the formula in notebook and then keep solving. Don't be in hurry. Hmm. 2 sine c minus d by 2, correct? So you are going to use this formula 2 sine c minus d by 2 and then cos c plus d by 2, correct? ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके आप करोगे तो व्हाट इज द आंसर यू आर गेटिंग? विश्रुत को कितना मिला? 2 साइन, सही से बताओ. साइन 4 थीटा मिलेगा, 2 थीटा मिलेगा. या स्टार्टिंग में आपको माइनस करना है, इधर देखो. स्टार्टिंग में 6 थीटा माइनस 2 थीटा माइनस करना है. फॉर्मूला क्या है? सी माइनस डी है ना. कमालिका, हाउ मच यू गॉट? You got it? Fine. Chalo, shall we move ahead now? Next question, take it down. Cos 4 theta plus cos 8 theta. How much you got? 2 cos 6 theta into cos 2 theta. You can do like this. पहले इसको ले लो, बड़े वाले को, cos 8 theta, and then you can take, then cos c plus cos d formula you can use, right? So what is the final answer you get? Yes, Sneha, how much you got? Right. Next question. Cos 18 minus sine 18, this you have to prove it is equal to root 2 sine 17. Root 2 sine 17. 17 not, oh. Formula is not there. Which formula? Before what I gave? எங்க மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் எங்க இருக்கு? மைனஸ் தானே கொடுத்துருக்கோம். Okay, look here. The clue is here. This is sine 18. 18 means it lies in the first quadrant. Here all angles are positive. So this 18, can I write it as 90 minus 72? 27. No? Okay. 27. Look at now. 90 minus 72 कितना मिल रहा है आपको? 18 मिल रहा है, right? In 10th standard we have studied a formula sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So here what happens? Here you have sin 90 minus 72. Okay, sin 90 minus 72. How much you get? Cos 72. So now you apply it here. So this becomes cos 18 minus cos 72. Now you got in cos c minus cos d formula. Now try it. You should get 27, not 17. Root 2 sin 27. Okay. How many of you gone to Wonderla? Which all rides you have gone? Dry ride, wet rides are there, no? So dry ride क्या क्या गए? Yeah. Yeah. So like that we have entered level 1 now. Next ride we go little up. Okay. ऊपर जाएंगे अभी ऊपर. Okay. What is the answer you getting? You get like this. 2 sine 18 plus 72 divided by 2 and then sine 72 minus 18 by 2. So this you get 45. Correct. 18 plus 72 you get 90. So this is sine 45 into this you get how much? Sine 27. Correct. Now what is sine 45 value? Aviral, sine 45 कितना है? 2 into 1 by root 2 into sine 27. After this step, how many of you are not able to solve after this? Why? You are confused with root 2 and 2, how to cancel? Yes, that's why you have to study 6th standard exponent chapter. Okay. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 और नीचे क्या हो जाएगा? root 2. ये क्या है? Sine 27. What will get cancelled? Root 2 get cancelled. You got the answer. Root 2 sine 27. You understand? Chalo, next level now, next ride. Ready? Take down. Question. Sine 5a minus sine 3a divided by cos 5a plus cos 3a is equal to tan a. You have to prove it is equal to tan a. Mila? So I am going to take 2 sine 5a plus 3a divided by 2 into, you get cos or sine? No, sine only, right? Hey, cos of 5a minus 3a divided by 2, and here whole divided by 2 cos of 5a plus 3a divided by 2, and here you get cos of 5a minus 3a by 2. Okay, so now here 5a plus 3a is what? 8a. 8a by 2 is what? 4a. So in this way you get 2 sine 4a into cos, how much you get? A into cos a. Here you get 2 cos 4a into again cos a. Cos a gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. What is remaining? Sin 4a divided by cos 4a is remaining. So can I write this as tan 4a? Can I write it as like this? You got the RHS. That's it. Which 4 cancel? नहीं ऐसे नहीं cancel कर सकते. No, I use the wrong formulas. Actually ये माइनस आना चाहिए. ये माइनस है और ये प्लस है. ये माइनस है ये प्लस. Yeah, we have used the wrong formula. You will get here sin a by cos a. Okay, okay, ठीक है, try it, no problem. Try it. We have used negative signs here, opposite signs. Okay, next question, ready? Sin a plus sin 3a divided by cos a plus cos 3a is equal to tan 2a is equal to tan 2a. Use the formula properly. Sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Yes, what is the answer? You all got it? So which formula you used? You got sin 2a into cos a by cos 2a into cos a? Okay, next question. Cos 7a plus cos 5a whole divided by sin 7a minus sin 5a. This should be equal to cot a. Completed? What answer you got? 2 cos 6a. Correct? 2 cos 6a into cos a by 2 sin a into cos a. Mila sabko? Yes, Kamalika, what happened? You got it or not? Which formula are you using? Here, Pujita, Anirudh, Artav, इधर दोनों को. चलो next question. Write down question properly. Sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is equal to how much? Is equal to how much? Completed? Okay, tell me what is the formula for sin c plus sin d? Okay, help me out now इधर. Sin c plus sin d क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? 2 sin, बस उतना ही. C plus d by 2, that means 4x by 2, that means can I write 2x? Okay, then into cos 4x, 3x minus x is 2x, 2x by 2 is x. Okay, so can I write into sin x? Whatever answer you get, this is the answer, 2 sin 2x into cos x, correct? And this sin x will be multiplied, yes or no? Okay, next you tell me here what happens. Cos 3x, cos c minus cos d, 2 sin into cos x. You don't get negative sign here? No, no, you will get negative sign. Here it will be minus 2, no? Here it will be minus 2. So now look at this. What happens? Both gets cancelled. So what is the answer? माइनस आने के बाद क्यों मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं? हाँ, so what is the answer? 0. Okay, maths is too much. ज्यादा हो गया maths. चलो लिखो next question. Write down the question properly. Sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x, this is equal to 4 cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. You have to prove it, right hand side. How many of you have done this in your 11th standard? This is called as Corona pass. ठीक है, बट एनडीए डजंट, एनडीए को नहीं फर्क पड़ता उससे. चलो start solving. Do you want clue? Look at this. I am going to arrange this properly first. Sin x and sin 7x I will take. So I will take like this. Sin 7x plus sin x. This you put it in bracket. Next what is remaining? This two. So I will take sin 5x plus sin 3x. ये हो गया bracket में. Now can you use sin c plus d? Tell me the formula for sin c plus d. Sin c plus d by 2. That means can I say sin 4x into 3x cos 3x plus here again 2 sin 4x into cos x. Correct? Cos x. Now what is common? Okay, so can I take 2 sin 4x common? So I take 2 sin 4x common. You have cos 3x plus cos x. Now what is cos c plus cos d? Tell, look the अरे formula देख के बताओ. Cos c plus d by 2. That means 4x. That means 2 cos 2x into cos x into cos x. 2 into 2 कितना हो गया? 4. So now I write 4 cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. You got the answer. That's it. Right hand side मिल गया? Yeah. I'm not writing formulas. So if your formulas is strong, you can do it immediately. Start doing it now quick. Completed? हो गया? Ready for next question? Okay, try by yourself now. Same method. 1 plus cos 2x. Now instead of sin, I am giving cos. Now this is cos 4x plus cos 6x is equal to 4 cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x into cos 3x. Which two values you will take together? So what is the first problem when you try to solve this? 1. So what should I do with this 1? What is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 is how much? 1. So can I write here cos 0x? Now this question becomes cos 2x. Then this becomes cos 4x. And this becomes cos 6x. Take these two together, these two together. Cos c plus cos d formula, use it, you get the answer. Completed? आ जाएगा सभी को? Mandir Chan sir. Take 2 cos x common. Then what you get in bracket? Hmm. Jaswita, what you have taken common outside? Simply you have right hand side, सीधा उधर टारगेट मार के चलना है फिर. Then इधर लेके आओ नोटबुक. एग्जाम में, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में ठीक है पास हो सकते हैं, बट एनडीए में नहीं. यस. रॉन्ग. ये क्या 6x+1? व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, मैंने क्या बताया था? cos 0x and 2x should be together. You have taken cos 6x and 0x. So 6 plus 1 कितना हुआ? 7. 7 by 2 कितना हुआ? 3.5. So can you get the value of 3.5? No. So that's why you keep everything in even number. Don't take in odd. ठीक है? Now 6 plus 4 gives you 10. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay. So try this at home now. Take down next type of questions. Multiple and sub-multiple angles. Next formulas. Multiple and sub-multiple. Multiple and sub-multiple angles. Write down these formulas quickly. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Next, cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Next, again, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Again, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Next, 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a. Next, 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a. Next, write down fast. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Next, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. How many of you know Mandip? Mandip कितने लोगों को मालूम है? Raise your hand. Okay, today he got selected in artillery department, Indian Army, soldier entry. Okay, medicals चालू है. We'll see that. Okay, just now he messaged me in the evening. Next, write down next formulas. Sin A. Sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. Next, cos A is equal to cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. Next, cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2. Next, cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 sin square A by 2. Next, tan A is equal to 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square A by 2. Next, sin A is equal to, yes sir, thank you. Okay, what is this magazine? Frontline. Okay, so read this magazine every 15 days. The copy price is 125. So every 15 days 125 rupees, मतलब एक महीने के लिए कितना हुआ? क्या? 250. So 1 month 250 rupees. This is investment, not expense. What is that? Expense मतलब you eat puffs and all, gayab. Okay. Now what is this? Imagine if I read something. Already the soft copy I got it in my mobile phone. हिंदू लोगों ने भेज दिया है, मैंने पढ़ लिया है. लेकिन hard copy फिर से once again I'll read. So what happens? It becomes a revision. After 10 years, when I come here and take class, students will be happy with the class. Same thing, if you read today all these things, after 10 years, you will be getting respect. You will be getting, when you tell something very interesting to anyone, they will respect you. Koi bhi ho, chota, bada, okay, your father, mother, they'll be really happy. Your parents will be really happy if you share this kind of knowledge, ki, this happened, that happened, something like that. Okay, chalo fine. Like this, we have magazines of Yojana, Kurukshetra also. If you start reading Yojana, Kurukshetra from now, within 3 years you will be IAS. IAS, IPS, सीधा IAS, IPS. समझ में आया? Take it down. Next, sin A is equal to 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2. इसको बोलते हैं हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला, बिकॉज हम 2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट यू हैव cos A is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2. We have some problems, but we'll not do it today. Have you written down all the formulas? Okay. So those who want to go home, you are going to tell me all the formulas which I have given you in the class today. Trigonometry. 2 types के problem किए थे हमने, right? 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, then sin of C, sin C plus D. वो formulas किए थे, right? All these formulas you are going to by heart. Tell me and then you can leave. Your time starts now. Start doing it quick.